Hello, Ananda. Today we can start with the JavaScript functions. In JavaScript, if you want to create a functions means we need to follow some rules. What are the rules? How to create? We can see the JavaScript functions. A JavaScript function is a block of code designed to perform a particular task. What is the function used to perform a specific task? JavaScript functions is a block of code. Means it is a block of code is designed to perform a particular task. JavaScript function is executed when something invoke means it should be invoked something, call it. At that time we are going to be using the functions. How to create a function? Here we need to use in Java. Normally functions will be created with data type. In JavaScript, if you want to create a function means how to create? First use the function is a keyword we need to use. Then use the function type. Within the parentheses we are going to be passing the parameters. Then open the curly brace. Close the curly brace. Within that we are going to be writing the function body. This is the way of creating. See here in this example HTML body we are going to be opening. Then H2 head section we have given the JavaScript functions heading. Next paragraph will be given. Paragraph one message will be displayed. This function calls the function which perform a calculation and return the result. Means here we are going to be performing the calculation and result will be displayed. PID equal to demo will be created, ID class. Next script. In the script we have created one function. Function name. My function will be created. For what is the function name? My function. Then P1, P2 parameters will be passing return P1 into P2. We are going to be returning. Then document dot get element ID function. This function predefined function we are going to be using. Then we are going to be displaying the my function. 4 into 3 values we have given. 4 into 3 means 12 will be displayed. See here in the output we are going to be displaying the H2 level. JavaScript functions will be displayed. Paragraph message also displayed. And document dot get element ID demo ID class we have created. Inner HTML we are going to be calling the which function? My function. Through that. Then we are going to be performing the calculation will be product 4 into 3 equal to 12. Result will be displayed here. Next we can see the JavaScript function syntax. A JavaScript function is defined with a function keyword. Means whenever we are going to be creating a functions means we need to use the which keyword? Function keyword followed by the name. Means after giving the function keyword we need to give the function name followed by the parenthesis. Means function keyword we need to use function name. After that we need to follow the parenthesis. Function name can contain the letters, digits, underscore, dollar sign, same as the rules of the variables. Means whenever we are going to be declaring the variables in the program, which rules we need to follow, that rules same will be applicable here. What are the rules? Must and should we need to start with the alphabet. After starting the alphabet we can use the parenthesis, underscore. We can use the digits also. These are the rules we need to follow. Next, parenthesis may include the parameters name separated by the commas. Means here we are going to be passing the arguments. Each and every argument must and should be need to separated by the commas. Next, we can see the function parameters listed inside the parenthesis in the function definition also. Means what are the parameters we are going to be using in parenthesis? We can use the function body also. Function arguments are the values received by the function when it is invoked. Means whenever we are going to be giving the values, the function is invoked, at that time we are going to be giving the values. Inside the function the arguments behave a local variables. Means inside the function whatever the parameters we are going to be passing, it should be a local variables. A function is a much same as the procedure or subroutine or other any programming language. Means it is similar to the C language functions, Java programming language functions, it is similar. Next, function invocation. Means what after declaring the JavaScript functions we need to invoke. Where we need to invoke, how to invoke we can see. Function invocation. The code inside the function will be executed. Something invokes, calls a function when an event is occurred. Means when event is occurred, at that time we are going to be calling the function. When it is invoked from the JavaScript code, means we are going to be directly calling the through function name also. Then when automatically means when the page is uploaded on the web browser, automatically function will be invoked. In the three methods we are going to be using to invoke the functions. First one, when event is occurred, when JavaScript code is called, and when automatically on the web page is loaded. At that time also we are going to be invoking the function. Function return. What is the use of the return statement? When JavaScript reaches the return statement, the function will stop the execution. Means it can close the execution. In the function is invoked the statement, JavaScript will return executed code after invoking the statements. Means whatever the task we are going to be performing, that result will be displayed when control will be coming to the which statement, return statement. The functions are often compute the return values. Why functions? Why we are going to be using the functions? We can use the code, define a code once, use many number of times. Means here we are going to be using the functions, we are going to be using the reusability concept. Means duplicate, without writing number of times, we can use many number of times. Several times we are going to be using. You can use the same code many number of times, different arguments to produce the different values. Means we can give the different values, we can get the different result. This is about function introduction. Tomorrow we can see the another topic.